Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an 8mm socket or wrench. Having a trim panel tool can also be very helpful. This simple DIY project can save you hundreds of dollars compared to a mechanic. We'll walk through each step, making it easy for you to tackle this repair yourself. Let's get started. To begin, open the door and locate the small plastic cover on the door's edge. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry this cap off. Inside, you'll find an 8mm bolt. Unscrew it completely. This bolt often stays in place, so you might need needle-nose pliers to pull it out slightly. Once loose, slide the handle toward the front of the car, then carefully pull it away from the door. Disconnect any rods or cables attached to the old handle. Now, let's install your new door handle. First, carefully attach the rods or cables to the new handle, ensuring they are securely clipped in. Next, insert the front part of the new handle into the door opening, then slide the entire assembly backward until it locks into place. Reinsert the 8mm bolt into the access hole and tighten it firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, snap the small plastic access cap back into its original position on the door's edge. With the new handle installed, it's crucial to perform a few tests. Open and close the door several times, checking that the handle operates smoothly from both the outside and inside. Verify that the door latches securely and that the locking mechanism works correctly. Give all screws and caps a final check to ensure everything is tight and properly seated. If you used an unpainted aftermarket handle, you might want to paint it to match your car's finish for a seamless look. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.